Finding your passion in tech is the first step towards a fulfilling career. The tech industry is vast, with countless opportunities ranging from software development to cybersecurity. Start by exploring different fields within tech. Consider your interests. Do you enjoy problem solving, creating, or analyzing data? Each area requires distinct skills but can also be interconnected. Utilize resources such as online courses, workshops, and webinars to gain insights into various tech roles. Networking with professionals already in the field can provide valuable perspectives and guidance. Look into internships or projects that align with your interests to gain hands-on experience. At Lifting the Veil IT Academy, we offer tailored training programs designed to help you discover and cultivate your passion. Our instructors provide support and mentorship, guiding you through your learning journey. Remember, the most successful tech professionals are those who find joy in what they do. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and don't be afraid to pivot if your interests evolve. Call 678-627-2796 or go to ltvacademy.com for more information.